Hello, maayong gabi. Yan. Ikaw mag-start.
So Rose and I we met on TikTok late in 2023.
Yeah.
In October we
Yeah, bare months.
in months.
Bare months. Mga September of last of September, starting communication in TikTok live. Please invite me. I accident tap or click the live.
Yes, you joined in my
Yeah,
lives.
and invite me. I join. I try. That time I'm broken hearted.
Yeah, we were both pretty brokenhearted
Yeah.
in 2023.
Yeah, the starting is 2023 and now I now stop communication in December 2020
23.
23 because I'm going back in province, my country, in Iloilo. Then and we back 2024 May.
Yeah, and yeah, on the 14th of May we started being in a relationship.
Yeah,
and
we starting build a relationship and forgive each other because that time his misunderstanding.
Yeah, we misunderstood each other quite a bit.
Yeah, because of my
English.
English yan guys, English. But I try my best. Try and download the apps. Yeah, I try my best. Everything is not perfect.
Yeah,
Walang perfecto.
Opo.
Lahat naman try and try.
Exactly, love.
Yeah.
Then in 1st September, I proposed to you, and it was like 9 months of processing,
Yeah.
getting her so much offloaded twice by Philippines immigration because of lack of paperwork. What we didn't know about.
Everything so much, mga
Stress and drama, so much marites and hating people trying to
belittle
us, trying to break us
underestimating.
up, misunderstanding
Yeah.
us,
Underestimating
us, exactly, love.
And that time have a Mrs. Fake account
Fake accounts, yeah,
to
sabotage
sabotage
us.
of together sabotage so much drama.
Then Rose made herself here in what's that, March 2029.
Yeah, mga 9 months kami guys na LDR. And also I processing start August no start of di ba you contact the migration in SDH last of August.
September?
Last
September.
Mga start di ba you update me?
Oh.
Last of August and this now start in September.
Exactly.
Yeah, yan guys. And then continue and 9 months LDR and then we met each other here in New Zealand. Yeah, that's patience.
Yeah, so much processing and offloading and
2 times offloading because the immigration so very mahigpit sila guys kasi naninigurado lang po to make sure na safety and complete documents. Mga more than 1 million lahat lang kasi
give or take,
everything. Mga isa makamilyon na gasto ng partner ko sa pag-process, tanan-tanan, 2 times uploaded because lack of documents, kaya I need to complete everything.
Yes.
And build the documents, the documents need original copy from Philippine Embassy. And I go to many times in the lawyer to notarize everything, the documents, to legal, but now in the immigration, so much challenges, love, no?
Challenges,
yeah. He's not based in the documents, he's based in cell phone. Kaya I give the phone, the post, mga post na mo sa Facebook nga, mga proof of relationship. Lahat. Tiningnan nila yung kung ano yung mga post, kung totoo ba, nga naninigurado lang yung immigration guys. Kaya tiningnan nila lahat yung mga post namin, mga picture namin, kung kailan kami nag-start, kung kailan nag-start ang aming communication relasyon. The immigration is to make sure everything.
Yeah, make sure
and
all the
then
documents.
I agree. And
finally.
Yeah, finally. Oh my God. This is my prayer. Nang nakapila ako guys sa immigration office, nagdasal talaga ako nga sana hindi na ako ma-offload, sana ma-aprobahan. At ginabayan talaga ako ni Lord.
We were both crying when she finally got accepted through
ginabayan
immigration.
talaga ako Lord kasi
Got to Australia.
nagdasal talaga ako ng taimtim mula talaga sa puso ko. Yun, nag-congrats sa akin kasi kailangan kung mag-interview ka, be honest everything.
Oh,
And
yes.
be patient, don't be lie.
Don't
Kaya
rush.
maging honest kayo sa kung ano yung totoo. Ipakita nyo talaga. Yun, naaprobahan at nag-congratulate sa akin mismo officer. Yun, go here in New Zealand. Kaya masaya ako. I'm happy and thankful to God and to my partner is very supportive and be patient sa everything.
Exactly.
Yun guys. I'm happy and this love story is a beautiful.
It is a good, lovely love story. I'm really grateful to have Rose in
It's
my
a
life. She's very good to me.
Yes, a very beautiful love story to make each other. Same matching
Matching.
talaga yung attitude namin guys sometimes.
Exactly. Now we've had our challenges and ups and downs that everyone does, but we're in a good, loving, stable relationship, which was good. But remember, if you're going to process, bring your partner here. Yeah, affidavit of support is very
Original
important.
guys.
Original copy.
Don't,
So post to Philippines.
Yeah, don't
Photocopy.
Don't photocopy because the immigration need original. Yung original copy ko kahalin mula sa Philippine Embassy, hinawakan ng immigration, hold nila yung original, naninigurado talaga yung immigration. At dito sila nag-base sa cellphone, hindi sila nag-base do sa mga documents na may notarized ng lawyer. Ilang beses ako guys bumalik sa useless yung mga documents kung na may notarized ng lawyer. Nag-base sila sa mga post, sa picture, kag mga proof of relations sa mga kung saan kayo nag-contact, nag-start communication. Ipakita nyo, show you Messenger, WhatsApp, and Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, everything.
Everything. Emails, photos, if you send each other gifts and letters.
Yeah. Kaya marami kayong proof of relationship na patunay talaga.
Letters from family, support, friends also.
Letters from my family to support
confirm our relationship.
Confirm in a relationship.
Yeah, notarized by a lawyer, everything,
Everything guys, mga 1 million din na gasto ng partner ko. A lot talaga, lahat. Kasi bawat gala mo, pera. Walang libre. Lahat talaga, mga 1 million.
Million, yeah, exactly.
1 million guys, lahat. Sa 1 million mo, may bahay ka na at lupa. Yan pa lang, papilis pa lang, mga panglakad-lakad mo, yung mga nagasto mo araw-araw sa mga pag-process. 1 million talaga guys na gasto ko. Kaya
that's
two times offloaded pa ako yung mga
a loss of flights, but I was lucky to get that money
flight plane ticket. Oh my god.
I was lucky to get that money back though, so I was happy. But yes, a lot of loss of money plus lawyers fees and everything as well.
Kaya thankful gid ako kay God kasi dyan po siya, nagdasal talaga ako kapag may kasamang dasal, ginaubayan ka gid ka Ginoo. Amo kay God ako nagpasalamat kay namit ko ang tawong ginapangayo ko kana, ginhatag na kana ako tanan-tanan. I'm thankful guys because this is my forever and this is my forever and growing old be with you my love.
Growing old. Growing old with each other, exactly, my love.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you guys.
Thank you all. Thank you.